take off Southwest 6614. Jump from 03 Atlanta Tower, right on the way. You're right highway.
100. Retard. Retard.
Heavy traffic, 3 miles. As we approach them, cross on 8 left, give way to 1717 from the left, back to runway 8 right. Okay, clear to cross, 8 left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to the 717, set at 724. That's 1938, give way to FedEx at hotel. Give way to FedEx at hotel, about 2230. FedEx 724, between housing and 2125, 2532, FedEx 724.